The next step is private showings. We want to drive that traffic that we've generated, and also open houses, so driving more traffic to your listing. So the first thing is all those leads that we've generated, whether it's from the coming soon ad or a marketing strategy, we want to bring them into the house and give that private viewing, and we want to create that feeling that it's their new home. The same thing with the open houses. We want to make sure that they feel like it's their new home as well. So first off, we're going to do all the private showings, all the private viewings. Somebody from the team is going to do those private viewings and make sure that these people are qualified and that they're ready to purchase. And for our open house strategy, we want to make sure the same theme, you're going to get this a lot, maximum exposure. So putting out 1 or 2 open house signs isn't going to work. We want to put out as many open house signs as possible. We want to drop off flyers at coffee shops and restaurants before the open house. We want to build that hype for the open house as well. So we want to get those signs out there early. We want to let everybody know in the neighborhood. We want to do some door knocking. We want to do some flyering, some circle prospecting. We even have ISAs that will call around the neighborhood to tell everybody that we're having an open house. So we want to make sure that anybody that has the possibility of purchasing that property knows that the open house is going to be that weekend. So this is going to be another key about maximum exposure and making sure that that buyer is going to view your home.